Hello, my friends. Welcome to a fantastic Friday. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about the sun and the moon and the stars through the books that we've read. The first book we read this week was called Papa, Please Get the Moon for Me. And we wrote about the story elements, the characters, the setting, and the beginning, the middle, and the end. And then yesterday you listened to a new book called The Sun and the Moon. And yesterday you wrote about the two first story elements, the characters, and where and when the setting of when the story happened. So we're going to learn a little bit more vocabulary for the moon today, and then we're going to talk about more story elements of the sun and the moon, and we'll talk about your assignment for Friday. All right, here we go. So, a new word that we have, and I know that I told you this word earlier this week, this word is crescent. And this is the part of the moon that happens right between the half moon and the sliver moon is called a crescent moon. And one thing that's fun to go and look, friends, is go outside tonight if the sun or if the moon is out and you can see it. See what's the shape of the moon today? Is it the half moon? Is it a full moon? Is it a crescent moon? Is it just a sliver? And let me know. Let me know on your meeting when we meet. We do not meet today. Today I will be doing some more reading tests. So we will meet next week. Let me know, what kind of moon do you see when you look outside? Maybe today or over the weekend. These are our learning targets for the week. I can answer questions about key details from the sun and the moon. We already did key details about Papa, Please Get the Moon. And I can describe the characters and the setting. And that's what we worked on yesterday on page 42 in your workbook. So let's keep talking about our story. This is all the story elements as a reminder, the characters, the setting. And remember, the setting is where and when the story took place, the beginning, the middle, and the end. This is the parts of the story. If you take it apart and you tell someone, hey, this is the characters in the story, this is the setting, the beginning, the middle, and end, it tells the whole story without somebody reading it to you. The story we read was called Sun and Moon, so let's take a little look at it. Oh, first we have more. The earth. And if you look, this is another word for our word wall. The earth is spelled with a capital E because it is a place. It's the place where we live. All right. And we're going to talk a little bit more about the earth on Monday and its relationship with the sun and the moon and the stars. So the characters for the sun and the moon are those two characters, the sun and the moon. And then the setting is in the sky at night. Now, even though the sun is in it, it's right during sunrise. So if you look outside during sunrise, the sky is still a little dark. And remember, the moon, it's all about him asking the sun, hey, I want to trade places with you. Do you think we can do this? All right. And so, what you're going to do, and I don't have the pictures for you because I want you to think and use your brain. For today's assignment is on page 44, and it's the beginning, the middle, and the end of the sun and moon story. What happened in the beginning? What happened in the middle? What happened in the end? And remember, I want your neatest handwriting possible. Your pictures don't have to have a lot of details. If you want to put details in your pictures, you can, but they don't have to have a lot of details. All right. Let's keep going and looking and seeing if there's any other important facts. No. These are the two words that I'm going to add to your word wall. Your assignment today is in your workbook. It is on page 44. Write about the beginning, the middle, and the end of our book, Sun and Moon. If you have any questions, please send me a message. Remember, we do not have class today. I'm doing reading test. I hope you all have a really, really wonderful weekend. We have one more week before Christmas break, and I know you're all excited, but I also know that you are hard workers and you can keep working hard and finishing all of our assignments. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the book, and I will be talking with you soon. Bye, my friends.